Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on, Barra. Yeah, guys, you're making sure fish in here, guys. Pink lure in the water again, guys. Strike a lure for today. We're getting hits left, right, and center, guys. Has that swim to it. Might have to switch that deep diver lure, guys. Let's see what we can pick up with this thing. Go back to third pass again, guys. Let's see what I hit. Larry! Sophia, you guys all right? You sure? I'm gonna go deep diver again, guys. Switch up over that blue and silver. Hey guys, my girls are right there playing. I'm standing on the rocks, giving them a shot to see what's up. But anyways, guys, said and done. Killed a thingy here yesterday, and I want to see if I could kill another one with this deep diver again, guys. So I get down a little bit deep. Definitely get that deep dive out. That wind was carrying it further out from me yesterday, guys. Getting chased by everything and anything. I'm on Jamaican Shore Fishing. I have to do a battery change, guys. Peep the girls real quick, make sure they're good. Try to get this in the open. Yeah, guys, working this deep diving lure, guys. Hey, Larry. Come back this side. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on, Barra. Big ass lizard fish, guys. Lizard fish. Look at this, Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up, guys. Ooh, this is the biggest lizard fish I've caught in a long time, Jamaican shore fishing. Look at this. That's it. Yeah, man. We are out here Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Deep dive lure on my light setup, guys. Look at that. 2-in-1 action today, guys. Bless up yourself. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Hi guys, got the hook out. Hook was in my hand. Fish got the hook in my hand, guys, and that hurts like hell. Let me get some salt water on this, guys. Get this thing freed up a bit. Give me a second there. Watch our rod tip there. Hook in the fingers, guys. Fishing is done for the day. And I got no band-aid, no paper towel, no tissue. This totally sucks. A string one lizard fish, man. They eat good your fat. Oh my god. That's what fishing does to you sometimes, bro.
Yeah.
But I love it.
No, sunfish like.
Yeah, they call them sandfish, but their name is lizard fish technically. But they're pretty good eating fish. Yeah. Check out my channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube.
Jamaican Shore Fishing?
Yeah.
Shore Fishing, yeah.
S-U-R-E for sure. Channel,
She has
sir.
some teeth in her head there.
Alright.
Careful in bite.
No, man. Lizard fishing here, man. Alright, we know. We know, buddy. We know, but you got me good with that hook. You cannot go back in that water today. You're done. You got me with my own hook, dogs. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, hook, on the shot, no backside.
Yeah, she sprang up. Good hook.
Got me good. Yeah, my blood all over you too. See if we can get a shark now. Alright, brother, thank you. I appreciate it much, bro. Yeah, what's your name again?
Diego.
Diego?
Yeah.
Alright, people's more no big up Diego on my channel, still enough people's. Diego, help me out get the hook out my fingers, guys. Trust me, that hurt real bad and he helped me out. Big up yourself, Diego. Thank you a lot, bro. Yeah, man.